How to register for new account Garena or new Garena account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen Basnath and today I'll guide you on how you can register for new Garena account. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now to register a new account on Garena, what you want to do is first you want to open up any browser on your device. It can be Chrome or any other browser that you wish to, and you want to search in for Garena account registration as I've done so on the screen. You can see Garena account registration, search for it and you'll get an interface like this. Now you can see the first link that says Garena account center and second link that says Garena registration. So you want to simply tap on that second link that says registration. Once you tap on it, it'll take you straight to the registration page. So here I'm showing you the shortcut method, or else you'll have to go through longer process. Now here you want to enter in your username, your new username, whatever you want to set, your new password that you wish to, and add an email address here. Now you want to add a new email address that you have, and then here you want to select the region. Here you can see the servers. So once you do so, down below you can add in mobile number if you want, and then tap on register. Now once you tap on register, now what happens is Garena will send a confirmation code to your Gmail, to your email, whichever mail you type in here. So you want to go ahead and you want to get that code from your notification bar or from your inbox, and then paste in the code here and you'll be able to register a new account. So this way you can register for new Garena account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.